his teacher, not the different assistant, Chanzo is different one.
Yeah.
And but the same teacher, same house.
Same comes in.
Same comes in, yeah. He's little old. He back and they send some young one.
Oh, okay.
So how long has this Changzo been with Ken Rinpoche?
Which one?
The current Changzo, the
Yeah.
Changzo now.
Yeah.
How long has he been Ken Rinpoche's Changzo?
He's with the Rinpoche babies. Maybe more than 20 years, probably 20. I'm here in the United States, maybe 1999. He was maybe 7, 8 years before. He was here already with the Rinpoche.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's already here already. That means maybe 20 years probably. He's with
So
them.
you were here together with Khyentse Rinpoche also in this center? Or you came after Ken Rinpoche?
I know Rinpoche in Sarame.
Oh, from Sarame.
Then I was living with half hour from here. This area is Howell. I live in Township. It's half hour from here. When after Rinpoche passed away, they called me to. I come here.
Okay.
After Rinpoche passed away. Before when Rinpoche was here, I always visit him.
Visit him.
I
Oh,
always
okay.
always.
But you were not living here.
I'm not living here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Khyentse Rinpoche ever talk about why, like, does he like America? What he thinks about teaching in America? Did he say anything?
I really talk close with Rinpoche.
You talk very close?
No,
No,
I
you didn't talk
talk
close.
with close. Maybe Chanzo, he always talk with close to.
Okay.
Like Rinpoche. I didn't talk with close to him all the time.
Okay. So Tsem Rinpoche, this is Khyentse Lobsang Trachin is Tsem Rinpoche's first guru.
First guru, yeah, I remember.
So
yeah.
he always will come here every day,
Yeah.
and he would do prayers
Yeah.
and the tanka.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, he always I talk to him. Yeah, what do you call Tsem Rinpoche? He always saying, yeah, he very when we talk, he very respectful.
To Ken Rinpoche. Can you remember what he say about Ken Rinpoche?
He said he taught. He was he always saying he like first guru. I mean, when beginning when he starting developing Buddhism, that he met Geshe Lobsang Trachin.
Yeah, he started first.
That's why he says very. He's a teacher. He always mention he's my teacher.
Okay.
Excuse me. Maybe I can show Gela or Geshe-la. Gela. This is Rinpoche when he was a child in Taiwan.
Oh.
Yeah, because Rinpoche was born in Taiwan.
Oh. Rinpoche born in Taiwan, eh?
Taiwan.
Oh.
Yes.
Then the Medina.
Oh, Tsem Rinpoche.
Taiwan. This is Rinpoche.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was born in Taiwan, and this is his uncle. Is the prince of Inner Mongolia. Yeah, the father was Tibetan.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. I mentioned. Yeah, he always telling me my father was a Tibetan, or mother was a Tibetan. I don't
Mother
know.
was Mongolian. Yeah.
Mother was Mongolian.
Mother was a Mongolian, and father was a Mongolian. I don't know. He always telling me my father was. That's right. When I talked to him here. He was skinny.
Very young and small.
Yeah.
He's tall, but he's skinny.
Yeah.
Very skinny. Very skinny.
Yes, yes.
So this is Rinpoche's.
This is
yes, Khyentse Rinpoche.
Yeah.
This is Rinpoche's foster father here. Yeah, Mr. Bugaev, and his foster mother, Dana Bugaev.
Who is Rinpoche's dad?
Rinpoche's dad is here.
Real father.
Losang Gyatso.
And Losang Gyatso was very close with His Holiness because he did a lot of work in India to help the Tibetan children, like schools.
Right.
Yeah, so His Holiness was always very happy.
Yeah, we really need all the Tibetan children because a lot of the Tibetan children came from Tibet, They left their parents and they want to see the His Holiness Dalai Lama and they want to they want to further study, you know, complete their study. In China and Tibet, they have no opportunity to study. No, yeah. And that's why they always, a lot of student kids come to India because of the education, and the goal is education, and the goal is see His Holiness Dalai Lama. That's why they really need help, you know. Because the parents, everybody left, physically and mentally, all.
They're all by themselves.
Everything. You need, yeah. That's good, yeah.
Yeah, so this is Rinpoche when he moved from Taiwan to New Jersey here, and these are his. This is the Queen of Mongolia.
Oh.
Yeah, Queen Deche. This is in Howell. It's just around here. This is in front of Rinpoche's house. Then when Rinpoche grew up, he left New Jersey to go to L.A. Yeah, and that's where Rinpoche met Song Rinpoche.
Oh yes,
Rinpoche's
I remember Rinpoche staying in Song Laprang.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Then in California also Rinpoche studied with Geshe Tsorum Gyaltsen, also from Ganden.
Yeah.
So he studied with Geshe-la and Song Rinpoche.
Yeah, and in 1987, Rinpoche left for Ganden.
Yeah, 85,
87.
87.
So since he left America, he never came back.
Yeah, never came.
He wants just all his life, his whole life, he wants to go to the monastery and become a monk.
So this is Song Rinpoche when I first came back to the monastery. Yeah, this is all in LA. Okay, and then this one was when Rinpoche went back to Ganden.
2006.
2006. Yeah. This is a Tsem Rinpoche in Ganden. Rinpoche, this is Rinpoche's other guru. Yeah. Khenso Jambyeshe. Yeah, and Rinpoche offered up his Tsem Rinpoche in Ganden to Khenso Rinpoche.
Oh.
Yeah, this one. Because Rinpoche was asked to go overseas to raise money to build the Kamsen. Yeah. So Rinpoche came to Malaysia.
When Rinpoche went to Ganden, after a few years, and Rinpoche was recognized as Tuko.
Okay.
So Rinpoche is recognized as the 72nd abbot of Ganden Shatse. Gendun Nyadra. Gendun Nyadra.
So
And then also he was recognized, and then afterwards the Dalai Lama also approved the incarnation.
Dalai Lama.
Yeah,
that's
also
good,
approved.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this was the Kamsen that Rinpoche raised once to build.
What Kamsen was?
Pukan Kamsen.
Pugang comes there. Yeah, as long as still Rinpoche's connection with His Holiness, yeah. Dalai
Yes.
Lama. That's good, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Even in our center now we have a throne for
His
Dalai
Holiness.
Lama.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
very good.
And
yeah.
Rinpoche took his ordination vows from the
His
Dalai Lama.
Holiness, yes.
So he also considered Dalai Lama his teacher.
That will be very good, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. This is Ling Rinpoche.
Lati Rinpoche.
Oh, sorry.
Lati
Lati Rinpoche. Okay. Lati Rinpoche. Okay, and even in Ganden, Rinpoche was doing a lot of social work, feeding the poor, yeah, and taking care of the nurseries in the school in Mungot.
Yeah, as long as Rinpoche is his connection with His Holiness, then Rinpoche future will be very successful.
Yes.
I hope.
Yes. And he has much support from the monastery also.
Yeah, from Ganden.
That's very good.
So this is Rinpoche when he first arrived in Malaysia in 1992.
Maybe like this
Skinny.
When Genla saw
When Genla
Rinpoche
saw
is like this,
very
very skinny.
Yes, Rinpoche skinny like that.
Yeah. This is all in Malaysia.
Oh.
So Rinpoche would go to Malaysia once or twice a year, then go back to Ganden. Yeah.
You already finished Kishi yet?
Geshe
Degree?
no.
No, Rinpoche didn't finish the Geshe degree.
Yeah.
I think he was studying up with him, became recognized as
That's a
Rinpoche.
Rinpoche.
Yeah, and then after a little while, Rinpoche came to Malaysia to teach
Yeah,
already.
because the abbot told Rinpoche to stay in Malaysia. Yeah. So this is that's when Rinpoche stayed in Malaysia, and then we started Kachara Buddhist Association. Yeah. This is our center right here.
It's huge.
Yeah. This is a Tsem Ladrang in Kuala Lumpur.
This is Tsem Rinpoche's Changzo from Tsem Ladrang in Malaysia.
And this is a Kachara house, our temple. Yeah.
We're building a new gompa at the moment. because the old Gompa is too small. So the new one we can fit 700 people.
Ah.
Big
I'll show you. So now our Kachara has 13 departments. We have the Gompa, we have the media and publication where we publish our own books
Yeah.
and we sell all over the world.
Yeah.
Then we have a camera. Is that? We do all the, when Rinpoche give talk, we record it in the camera, put it on YouTube. We make DVDs to give to people. Yeah. Then we have a Kachara Saraswati Arts. This is an art studio whereby we learn how to paint, put gold
Oh, yeah.
on the Buddha statues.
We sew tanka,
Sew
we do
tanka.
mantra.
And
Wow.
travel and all that.
You-
We teach the Malaysians how to do it the traditional way. Yeah. Then we have Kachara Discovery. This department goes to the factories to order, statues with the correct mudras. Because a lot of statues, the mudras all
Yeah, no.
wrong.
that's
No,
not-
no.
So Rinpoche say it's not good. So
Not good, yeah.
we must make sure.
We must make sure, yeah. but-
Yes. Okay. And we have a soup kitchen. Soup kitchen is a community service whereby we help the homeless
Yeah.
Oh.
in Malaysia. And Ruby here, she's in charge. She's the president.
No,
Oh, that's
Yeah.
very nice.
So she helped.
the homeless.
The homeless. Yeah. Then we have a vegetarian restaurant
Oh, that's
Wow.
great.
Yes. because Rinpoche wants to promote vegetarianism.
Oh, that's good.
Very good
Right now,
for-
it's in vegetarian inside inside the Tibet community is growing.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the
Before-
temples,
All vegetarian.
I know, yeah.
I mean, all
even,
the Sarah Devungan.
even family level, all the
No.
vegetarians too much growing. Everybody
Oh, that's good, that's good.
interesting vegetarian.
Oh, I see.
Lot. Because
Because
it was Tibet people eating meat because the weather condition,
Yes,
the
yes, in
habit,
the past. Right?
past. Now they have a young generation come and they have changed. They want
Yes.
to change to the but it's very hard slowly.
Yeah, Rinpoche wants us to learn not to kill animals
Oh yeah,
to
sure.
eat, so
Oh, that's
he's
the best.
encouraging vegetarianism.
Oh, that's the best way. Yeah.
Then we have shops in Malaysia,
Oh.
in the shopping malls, the shopping centers. Then we promote all this Himalayan statues and all the Dharma items. Yeah. In Kathmandu, Nepal, we have a lounge here to also show, sell our books, statues,
Information center.
information center, yeah, so that people can actually find out what Kachara offers, and if they want to learn more, they can go into our website, or they can
yeah.
fly over to Kuala Lumpur
Yeah.
to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this in Buddhanath. This is our retreat center that we are now waiting for approvals. We bought a 30-acre piece of land in the hills, and inside, see, it's all Tibetan traditional architecture, and we're going to have a cultural Tibetan village.
Yeah.
Then inside we have a big gompa. We will have a statue of Lama Tsongkhapa, 118 feet. It will be the world's tallest indoor Buddha statue. Yes. Rinpoche wants to bless
When you
Malaysia.
finish, send me invitations.
Yeah, because Malaysians Rinpoche said Malaysians have helped Garden Monastery
Yeah.
with building and the
Donations.
donation, all that. So
Sponsorship.
Rinpoche want to give back to Malaysians by building this retreat
I
center.
hope ceremony too, because Rinpoche also very good relation with the Kerumche. I'm just joking. Rinpoche also very good relation
That's
with the
right.
Kerumche.
Yeah.
Kerumche organized the food farm, but I'm
Yeah.
saying still running. Not as good as the I'm just joking.
Yeah, so this would be very good for
But
Malaysians.
Rinpoche has very good relation with the Kerumche also.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah.
This is part of our temple, whereby this is called Kachara Care.
Yeah.
We have a lounge here for the young people to party. So instead of going to the discos and the clubs and drinking, they come here. We serve only soft drinks,
Yeah.
juice, and all that, and they can still dance and sing. So we want to build up a youth program to develop the children and the teenagers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's all here, and this is led by Su Ming.
Wow.
Chongsuba here.
They're spending time here more and more.
More
yeah,
the
yeah.
children. So instead of
Younger
going and
people.
drinking alcohol,
Yeah, yeah, I
you come
understand.
here.
I understand.
Yeah,
Better.
That's
Yeah.
better, much
Yeah,
better.
much
Instead,
better.
Instead of going,
Yeah.
doing-
And here is our animal sanctuary. We want to save a lot of animals.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is Rinpoche's dog here. Yeah, Yogi.
Oh.
Yeah. And in our Ladrang,
Tibetan also?
this is not. This is a schnauzer. This is in the Ladrang in our garden. We have an aviary. This is
For birds.
for birds in
So-
Tsem Rinpoche. So we have for birds. These are all the birds that we saved from the pet shops.
So when Rinpoche goes out and he sees birds that are very sick, then we buy, we take back, and we keep inside the ladrang,
The ladrang.
and then we make them healthy again.
Yeah. So for some who can live in the wild, we set them free.
That's what in Buddhist tradition, Buddhist practice is saying that when you save somebody's life,
Yeah.
you will be still on life.
Yes.
Yeah. And we also save tortoise, turtle, and then fish. We go to the lake, and then we buy from the market, and we save the fish and we let
That's
them go.
very good.
Yeah. Yeah. So these are some of the events that we have in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, once a year with the Grand Satrap Puja, Dhammapada Satrap.
Wow.
Yeah. So we ran a huge hall, then we opened to everybody. We advertised in the newspaper. So hundreds of people come to learn about Satrap and to make offerings and prayers to Satrap. Then during Vesak Day,
Sakadawa.
Sakadawa.
Yes, then we outside our center we have a big field. Then we put up all these tents, to share with the neighbors and our friends and our members about Buddha, Shagan Buddha. We have one nun, Anila. So our first nun in Kuchara. Yes. Then this is another event whereby we announce about our World Peace Center. Yeah. And then we have this is Karthik Rinpoche with Geshe-la here. They came to teach all of us how to do rituals and pujas and then do tournaments.
Now we learn how to make glue.
Yeah, this is in Tsem Rinpoche. This is Rinpoche. Karthik Rinpoche and Geshe-la. So this is the animal liberation. So we teach the people how to do it. And then we also do weddings. So Rinpoche will bless his students who get married. Yeah. Then this one was the first staged musical of Lama Tsongkhapa. Yeah, this was done, when was it? Beginning of the year, right?
It was in
Last year, December, we launched the first musical play of Lama Tsongkhapa. So we talk about the life story of Lama Tsongkhapa. Yeah, and we won 5 awards. Yes, we won 5 awards for this production, and Rinpoche went there to give a talk to the public. This is our new Gompa. Because our current Gompa can only fit 250, maximum 300, and there's a lot of people coming in already. So that's why we have our kind sponsors have bought these shop houses, the 4 in a row. Then we broke it down. Then we started renovation. So it is so it's like that. And we have inside the Gompa we have a 10 feet Lama Tsongkhapa statue. We have a 7 feet Vajrayogini statue and a 7 feet Satrap statue. Yeah.
The Gompa will be ready in about 10 days.
10 days time. It'll be ready
Now, finishing
now. So when finished, this is how it looks like. This is the artist's impression.
Okay.
Yeah, it's called Kachara.
Oh,
Kachara house.
It's named after Narakacha.
No,
Narakacha.
Yeah.
I will go see it online.
You can see online. Yeah, so this and then this is when Rinpoche took his students to pilgrimage to Bodh in 2004.
Yeah, when we went to Bodh Gaya Root Institute Lama Sopa Center, Rinpoche saw that they didn't have a big Lama Tsongkhapa statue. So immediately Rinpoche sponsored a 4-foot statue for
which
the
is
Lama Center.
which is offered to them. Yeah, and this when Rinpoche went back to Ganden 2006. And
Same as when Tsem Rinpoche was here.
Kilns, yeah. Almost like
Almost the
same,
same.
yes, kilns.
Not
Not
so
much,
much.
not much decoration like too much. Same, it's like look like nature. I mean, not